Straightening. A routine part of any blacksmithing is straightening. Keeping your material straight keeps the material moving together, makes your work more efficient, and makes transitions easier to see. Your material can become bent for several reasons, including the slow lifting of the material hand, standing in the wrong place and moving around your body, or following your material off the anvil. To straighten. Find the curve in your material and face the top of it upwards. Maintain 2 points of contact on the anvil. Strike once in the center. Repeat until straight. When a bend is long and gradual, use the entire face of the anvil to straighten. When the bend is short and abrupt, going across the anvil will often suffice.